Alright guys, I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I'm going to try to pilot the DJI Mini from inside the car. And it is right there outside the vehicle. Right there. I will be piloting it right here from inside the vehicle, and we'll see if that works out or not. Just give me 1 second to set up the tripod here. It's kind of hard to get this to stay in place. So let's see if we can make it stay in place at all. Come on, technology. Alright, here we go. It's gonna be a little bit crooked, and come on. Not the best tripod, but here we go. Let's see how this handles. Let's see if I can even do this. So if we zoom in a little bit on here, can we get a better picture? Come on. Give me a better picture. Okay. So I'm gonna try to lift off. Here we go. Take off. Wow, I did it. That's impressive. You guys can't see it, but you can see where it's going. It's kind of awesome. You can see where I'm going. You guys should be able to see where I'm going as well. Just going away. Having a good time. And come back a little bit. It's beautiful. I can yaw, turn around and see what I can see. Pretty cool, and it's so stable. It's unbelievably stable, which is why I can do that. I can do that now. Turn around. I've never been able to do this so well with any drone. So it's kind of awesome that I can do this. And this is such a good place to shoot as well. Just going out there and having a good time. Gotta make sure that I'm below places so that I don't hit anything. It's kind of important to have a good line of sight on what I'm doing, which I do. I have plenty of battery, which is also very important, so I can avoid getting in trouble and hitting pillars. Unbelievably good, this thing. I probably won't be able to land where I started off, but so I'm gonna land now. But hope you guys enjoyed the hopefully fun video here. as I come down and I say, hello from the window, yo, what's up? Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.